1996 Saturn SC Coupe. Electrified. Here's the electrified Saturn, the L Saturn. 1996 Saturn SC Coupe, converted to electricity using an AC50 AC induction motor and a 96 volt 158 amp hour battery pack. 4 batteries in the front, 8 volts each, 8 in the back, 12 times 8, 96 volts. Emergency cutoff switch, also wired to the previous hood release inside the driver compartment. Curtis 1238 controller, DC-DC converter for powering battery and accessories, charger, main contactor, shunt, AC relay for disabling motor during charging, relay board for accessories, power steering, electric pump and reservoir, vacuum pump reservoir for power brakes, accessory battery there. You can kind of glimpse the motor underneath the controller, connected to the mounting plate to the 96 Saturn transmission. Bracket for front 2 batteries, Curtis motor and transmission adapter, conduit pipe for battery signal cables coming from rear compartment to the engine compartment. Reverse angle shocks, engine compartment, pop box throttle, using existing cable. Heat sinks for controller on top and bottom, 1/4 inch plate, aluminum heat mounting plate. Bottom half of controller mounting plate with additional bottom heatsink visible, and top half of motor and the transmission adapter plate. Interior remains mostly stock, extra gauges, amp meter, multifunction gauge for the controller, state of charge of the battery pack mounted above the radio in the center console. Previous defogger button, cycles multifunctions display. Previous hood release painted red for emergency disconnect of battery pack. Center console gauges connected to interior lamp dimmer for night driving. Bottom view of battery rack with battery box in it, rear end. And alternate view of power cable conduit. Suspension required 2 inches of additional spring lift in each side of the spring over shock towers in the rear to make up for the 800-pound nose of battery. Battery pack in box and trunk, fire extinguisher, exhaust vent for hydrogen gas during charging, powered by non-contact brushless motor, fan, 8 times 8 lead acid batteries, polypropylene box, welded, bolts down. Using same wrench as used for the batteries. Battery pack weighs 830 pounds. Top speed 65 miles an hour, range 40 miles. Motor horsepower 50 peak, 15 horsepower continuous. At 650 amps maximum, 6500 RPM.